Hey guys, I'm on day 8 of orkambi. Yesterday I was having some chest tightness and some nausea, but that went away after I took my medicine. Today my chest is tight, plus it's like raining out today and the weather is like 50 degrees and it's cold out and it's just disgusting out today. But overall, I'm having just the chest tightness, no nausea today. my coughing is horrible sounding as usual. And it wasn't like this when I started, but I guess as I'm getting more, and I guess as the longer I'm on the orkambi, and the side effects are probably going to get more intense. But my doctors did tell me to take 1 pill for another week and then start to 2. But yeah, tomorrow I am going to Tyson's Corner, which is an hour and a half away, with my best friend Jessica. And we're going to the Cheesecake Factory to eat tomorrow. I'm so excited. I'm going to go shopping and get my son some stuff, even though I should buy myself stuff, but you know, he's spoiled, so I always gotta get him something if I'm going somewhere. But I'm really excited for tomorrow. What? That's my son. Say hi. But yeah, overall today it's been pretty good, but I will update with a video later. Onyx. Right now I'm starting to get hot flashes, and I've actually been able to eat today, which is awesome. Last night I made tacos for dinner, and I was able to eat dinner last night, and we went to, me, my fiance, and my son, we went to Cracker Barrel yesterday. It was so good. But I will update with a video later of my side effects as I'm going out through the day. I have to travel 1 hour and a half to drop my son off to his dad, and then come home and just relax, and I'll probably be able to sleep because I'm just so excited for tomorrow. But yeah, this mall has like 300 plus more stores and 3 levels. So hopefully, if I can walk 3 miles, I can do this mall. So hopefully the orkambi doesn't affect me too much tomorrow. So I'll just do some albuterol, take my inhaler with me just in case, and hopefully tomorrow will be a good day. And it's supposed to rain all weekend. So I want to try to stay warm and not get rained on tomorrow, so yeah. But yeah, I will catch up with you guys later. Talk to you soon. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Say see you. Blow kisses. Say mwah. He's so sweet. But yeah, catch up with you guys later.